children. I'm so excited to be here with you today. I've been busy baking cookies all morning. But before we get started, I want to share with you that we sent Santa's sleigh to pick up the Randy's Electric Camera crew and bring them here to the North Pole so that they can help us bake the Christmas cookies. Today we're going to bake the traditional Christmas sugar cookie. Those are Santa Claus's favorite cookie. And then tomorrow we'll learn how to decorate them. And all of this process will be filled with love and joy. Let's take a look at the ingredients that you're going to need to have. 1 cup or 2 sticks unsalted butter, softened. 2 3/4 cups all-purpose flour. 1 1/2 cups granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 1/2 teaspoons clear vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon almond extract. 1 egg. These aren't the only ingredients that matter though. It's the love and the joy and the goodness and kindness that you put into preparing these cookies that really make them special and magical. And now it's time to mix. In a large bowl, beat butter and sugar with an electric mixer. Or, if you're Mrs. Claus, you can snap your fingers. See how light and fluffy? We don't want to mix it too much. And then we'll add the egg and extracts and mix those in. In a different bowl, combine flour, baking powder, and salt. Add this bowl to the large bowl a little bit at a time while mixing in between. This is what your ingredients will look like once you've stirred them up. When your bowl looks like this, your dough is ready. Before we can roll out our cookie dough, we need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. The next step in the process is to divide the dough into 2 snowballs. With this next part, you want to make sure that you start out with clean hands and a clean working surface. We dust our surface with flour before we begin rolling out the dough into about the size of a small pizza. Select your favorite cookie cutters, dip them in flour, and then we can begin cutting out the cookie dough. These are some of my favorite cutters. This is Comet's favorite cookie. This is Buddy the Elf's favorite cookie. This is my favorite cookie. And of course for today, we'll be using Santa's favorite, the Christmas tree. Now that we have our cookies cut out, we need to carefully transfer them to an ungreased cookie sheet so that we can place them in the oven to bake them. These cookies will need to bake for between 8 and 11 minutes at 350 degrees or until lightly browned. This will make about 3 dozen cookies. While they are baking, you should begin the cleaning process. Wash everything down with warm, soapy water and put the dishes and utensils back in their places. Don't forget to wash the countertops and don't forget to sweep the floor. Santa, the elves, and I are looking forward to spending more time with you this Christmas season. Your kindness and eagerness to learn how to make magical Christmas cookies in anticipation of Santa's visit brings joy to our hearts. The cookies are done. Be sure to check into Randy's Electric Facebook page to see part 2 of how the cookies are decorated. In the meantime, be good and kind. We'll see you next time.